Morning, greetings and salutations. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Zach's in my room. He's practicing his juggling, and he wanted me to share it with all of you. So, where are all my nose? Oh. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Wow! Oh!
Type type G in the chat from good, or chat B in the chat from bad at juggling. Kind of bad. I'll just type B in the chat. Spam B in the chat.
Wow, Zach, you're getting way better.
I'll just spam B in the chat.
In the kitchen, Grandma made some delicious pancakes. Yummy. Oh, Thackeray.
You want syrup?
Snap.
You want syrup?
Ooh, let's fold some dish rags. Alright, I'm all done. Also, the juices are from outside. They had to cut the power when they were moving the stuff yesterday. So, the juices are in here till Monday. Alright, you guys, now it's time to eat. Looks so yummy. So, I missed Mom making the chicken tikka masala for dinner, but it looks so delicious. It looks more red this time too, Mom. Like the color is more red. You also made the basmati rice. And then over here,
I'm going to make
garlic naan.
garlic naan.
Am I gonna put the garlic stuff on it?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell
Okay, I'll put the garlic stuff on it.
Finish.
You guys have seen this already before, but this is gonna be so good. And if you guys want the recipe, Mom's gonna put it on her Instagram. So follow her. It's itsHadrian's mom on Instagram.
I think I did. I put it on. I forgot.
She probably did not. Maybe, who knows? Mom's dough is so fluffy. I thought she was making pandesal, which is like a Filipino bread. But this is for the naan. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. The naan you made last time was so delicious. Like it was so good. Oh my gosh, that's so yummy. I can't wait to eat some right now. Yum. Over here I have the pan heating up already, getting ready, nice and hot for the bread. And then we're gonna put it right here when it's done. I have my garlic sauce. I'm gonna spread this garlic because I'm the sous chef. And I have my chopped up cilantro right here as well. So Mom did a mini harvest in the garden this morning. I think I showed you guys this one yesterday. She picked it this morning. There's also that cucumber I showed you guys. This one's like really prickly looking. We also have some little tomatoes as well. All right, Mom has what is this called? Flattened out. She prepared the dough.
The dough is ready for frying.
And the pan is ready for oil.
The pan is so hot.
Super duper.
Super hot.
Okay, let's see what happens when Mom puts the bread on. Woo!
Ooh.
Wow, look at that bread sizzling. Mom, you should dry your hand. It might drip into the oil, then we're gonna explode.
You're so scared.
Mom, the oil is really hot. It's gonna pop, pop, pop.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Pop, 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 pop to the top. Look at this yummy bread. Ooh, hot diggity dog.
Look at that.
It's okay, that one's the practice bread. This is the one that we're going to sample.
What do you mean?
We're gonna sample this one. This is the one we're gonna try. Make sure it's delicious.
Ooh. Look at that.
Ooh, there you go. That's what we like to see. Hold on. Can you fix that, Mom? Just like separate them or something. We just have one. It's not like wiggling. Yeah, thanks. Okay, wow. Do we think it's done? Am I oiling up both sides?
Just one.
We're only oiling up one side?
Yeah.
No. Okay. And then, ooh. Look at that. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, the garlic naan is so delicious. It's so good. Mom and I already sampled a whole piece and they're the best garlic naans in town. So I'm very excited. We're almost done cooking them. Only a couple more to go.
3 more to go.
And I cannot wait. All right, the bread is all done and it literally looks so delicious.
Where's that?
Look at that. And also, the kids are getting ready to go swimming. Woo! Woo! Dance, Elizo! Dance! Woo! Yeah! Woo! You have so much sunblock on your face. Hey guys, it's time to eat. We have our chicken, we have our rice, and then we have our garlic naan. We set up the table. It's so pretty. Again, all these things are thrifted from the Goodwill. All these plates, they're beautiful. This is Isaac Mizrahi for Target. This one is Anthropology. I think these are Pottery Barn, but all by way of the Goodwill. Alright you guys, it has been a super fun day. We were actually swimming and all that, but everyone's back inside now. I'm just gonna turn everything off. Super hot today. It was in the triple digits. I believe it was the highest at 103. 103. The backyard is still a mess. Gotta wait till Monday to be able to put everything back. But right now I'm going to water these plants because they have been through a lot today. Today has been super duper hot. I wanted to update you guys on the indoor plants too. A couple of you guys messaged me on Instagram asking about this plant and how it's doing inside the house. It's doing really well on this spot. I mean, even the backside is doing pretty well. And I kind of like how it's having to like fluff up a bit because before it was a little draped like too like, I don't know. It was more like, it was less fluffy. And I think because it's over here, it's kind of stretching a little bit for the light. So it's getting a little leggy, but I kind of like the look. It kind of looks cool. So for right now, it's going to stay there. This guy is doing really well. The new leaf is about to open up. So that's exciting. This leaf is super cute and super tiny as well. I think I'm actually going to have to remove this so that I can figure out like a way to get it so that this little part can breathe a little bit. But that's fine. Then over here, this leaf has finally opened up all the way and it's looking fantastic. I don't see any signs of new leaves or anything coming up yet, so we're still waiting. Though this was a leaf that grew when I was still water propagating that monstera, so that's what's happening right there. Also, this monstera is doing really well being in the middle of this room. There's a new leaf right here and the fenestrations look like they're gonna be amazing. So I'm very excited to see how it looks. But as you can see like there's like holes. I think that's what those are called, like fenestrations, or like the little holes, and like the openings in the leaves and stuff. So really excited to see that. That one's the other new one that came out, but this one looks like it has more fenestrations than that one does. So very, very excited. The other Monstera outside is doing really, really, really well too. The my large form Monstera, and I have a feeling this might also be a large form, but I don't know. This is the one that I got from Trader Joe's, and I just love the way it looks. Like, it looks like a piece of art. Like, this one's super cool. It's a little bit more abstract looking, whereas the other one just looks more full and all that. So, I don't know. I just think this one looks really, really cool. That's why I love it in this spot. Then, this guy is also doing pretty well. I find I have to water this guy a lot, so I actually think I might water him again tonight, but looking beautiful. I love the leaves on this thing. They are so, 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 so pretty. Cabbage roses are so gorgeous. I'm gonna find if I can like order some for like for planting. And then these hydrangeas, these were cut from the backyard too. They are so pretty. My little twin star hydrangeas. Mom agrees with the name. Also, this fly swatter is very good. I love it. I'm gonna link it if you guys are interested. It was a little expensive. It was like $13. But recently we've gone through so many fly swatters because they just break that we've already probably like doubled the amount that this one costs. So let's see how long this one lasts. But so far it's doing... Oh, there's a fly right there. Whenever we open the doors, man. Also, I've gotten a lot of questions about this too, like wondering if the plant is gonna die. Literally has still stayed in here. It has already been a few months. This single piece has grown so much. I really like the look of it in here. Like, I think it looks really, really cool. And I don't have to change the water that much because when it's enclosed in there, it's, I don't know, it's kind of like a terrarium, right? So that's doing really well. Here's my Ficus Audrey, which is now inside because of all the stuff happening outside. Again, doing really well. Looks really pretty. The leaves are stunning. I am obsessed with this, what is it? Monstera Adansonii. The leaves are stunning. This thing is growing so quick. I'm probably gonna have to water again tonight too because this thing takes water so quickly. But this is the wide form of the leaves, I believe, is the type of this, and it is stunning. All right, so it is the end of the night. I just took a shower. My hair is all wet still, but I went to go grab the mail, and my Pura order came, which I'm pretty excited about because my scent is about to run out. This is like my favorite one, and it is Capri Blue Volcano. Got a little squish, so the box opened, but I mean, smells so good. This is what the little thingamabobbers look like that go into the Pura. These for like I use these in my room, and these little guys last me for months because I don't like, my room is like not very large, right? So the Pura, it can do like how many hundreds of feet of space, and each fragrance also has like a different like strength, and its maximum capacity can do like a certain number of like certain how many feet, like from 250 to 300, 600 or something like that. I forgot what the maximum is or the minimum is, but my room is small, so, and then you can change the intensity of the strength of the scent for your Pura, so you can like, I usually put mine at like on a setting of 1 to 10 in my room. I usually have it either a 1 or a 3 depending on how strong I want it, and that is like good. I have a setting on it, so it turns on at a certain time, turns off at a certain time, and even after it turns off, like the scent still lingers. So I feel like it still smells up until the next day when it turns on again. So it's fantastic. Inside the main like part of the house, downstairs, I only have 2 Puras, but they do a pretty good job of distributing the scent pretty much throughout the house. So that's really nice. I'm thinking about getting a 3rd one so that it can smell like even more intensely, but if I get the scents that have like the highest intensity of the scent, then the 2 is pretty good, but then some of like the other scents are not as strong, so I would probably need 3 to get like the strength that I want. But I don't know, like the Capri Blue, like this volcano one, I believe this is like one of the lower intensities of the scents. So like if I did this is actually pretty good like throughout the bottom, like downstairs, but if I really wanted to get really intense, I would probably do 3. I'm probably not making any sense, but I have a discount code for you guys down below in the description box if you guys want to try a Pura. I think they're fantastic. I got into using them last like December, and I haven't looked back since. They come out with new scents all the time. I love trying out the new ones, and they are fantastic. So I'm very excited for these. So happy. I can smell the scent through the box, and it smells so good. Okay, but yeah, that is the end of today. Saturday was a pretty relaxing day. Didn't really do anything too crazy. It was really warm today. I think my sister said earlier that it was up to 103 today, and like, I mean, the food was amazing today. Mom outdid herself pancakes and bacon for breakfast. Then for dinner, she made the chicken tikka masala with the garlic naan and the basmati rice, and it was just so good. Yeah, it was really, really delicious. That bread is just so amazing. My gosh, so good. But yeah, and then that's pretty much it today. I watered the plants a lot because it was really hot, and it's going to be really hot tomorrow. So I wanted to make sure that they were nice and hydrated. Some of them looked a little wilty because of the heat, so I had to make sure to water them a little bit extra. I might even water them tomorrow morning because when I was walking the dogs, it was about like 9:30. Usually like 9 to 9:30 is around the last time I walked them at night. And it was still really warm. I felt like it was still like in the like mid to high 80s. So I feel like the plants are just gonna like get really dried out tonight. And plus it's like really windy, and the desiccation just like causes the water to evaporate with the wind. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic weekend. This is gonna go up on Sunday, so hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday. Tomorrow, I don't think we really have anything planned. I have been really in the mood though to sing karaoke. I don't know if it's just like a Filipino thing, but I feel like if you're a Filipino, comment down below, like all my Filipinos out there, or like anyone that knows a Filipino and that they have a karaoke machine, comment down below. I'm feeling like very karaoke, and I want to see if Yasmin and John want to sing karaoke tomorrow, because I feel like that would be super duper fun. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of the video for today. I love you guys so much. Tune in bright and early tomorrow at 7 a.m. to see if we actually did start singing karaoke or not. I kind of want to. I think I'm gonna like force them to do it. But once they start, like, we literally cannot stop, and we'll be singing for hours until our voices are gone. So that should be fun. Anyway, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!